Okay guys, welcome to the training. Just make sure na ready kayo and you're committed to finish the whole training kasi this will be very lengthy. Now first, I'd like to show you the tools that we will be using para naman aware kayo, and andyan na rin yung mga shortcut keys so mas mabilis nyo magagawa yung mga task nyo. Okay? So if you want, you can print screen now para ma-save nyo siya in your desktop para when you're doing the training itself, it's gonna be easy for you to move. Okay? Alright, so let's go on. So here's an example of an image and training. So if you're gonna see, sobrang dali lang niya. It's just a plain house with a deck. Yan. Elevated deck. Yung mga ground deck, hindi yan kasama. Mga kalsada, kotse, yan, hindi yan kasama sa dinodrawing. All we do is draw the house itself. Now, how do we do this? So we use the right angle tool, click sa corner ng bahay, click, click, yan. Then, okay, now this is what we call the hover technique. I'll zoom in for you. And the hover technique is when you see your first point turns green to make your last point. So there's your last point, it's still open. Okay? And since we're using the right angle tool, laging perpendicular lang yan. And to close your label, press enter. Okay. And do the same for the rest of the building. Yeah, just follow the shape of the building. And ito, bakit ko dinaanan lang? Roof arcs, okay, hindi lang kasama. Okay. Next. Again, same. Corner ng bahay. Elevated deck, kasama. And the chimney, dinadaanan lang. Then hover technique again. Then enter to close. And there you go. That's your house. Okay. Then submit. Now, why did I change this from M to A? M, ibig sabihin, manual download. Isa-isahin mo siya. A means auto-download. Okay. Now, if you're about to go, ayaw mong gumawa after finishing a task, make sure that you change this first to M. Para hindi siya mag-download ng task, walang may ipit na task sa ID mo. So you will see a counter. Total task number is 41. I have 39 more to go after this one. Kasi this is the second. So again, do the same thing. Yeah. And there's an elevated deck here. And don't forget yung cover ng garage. And same here. So all I have to do is follow the shape of the house. Yan, yung mga edges yung kinukuha. Okay. Don't get confused. Kotse, kalsada. Okay. Kalsada. Don't get confused with that. Then submit again. So as you wait, yeah. Okay. You have a new image. Now for this image, guys, okay, this is just one building. Wag malilito sa shadow. Okay, that's only a shadow. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas tong part na to kaysa dito. Alright? So to do this, again, Go to the corners of the house, of the building or the property. Yan. Follow nyo lang siya. Okay, now since there is an elevated part, kailangan nyo rin gawin yan. So make sure that you snap doon sa line. Yan. Make sure that you are snap. Tapos change the command to align tool. Then balik ka ulit sa right angle tool so you can close this. And then, don't forget to group. Kasi kung hindi mo i-group yan, pag sinubmit mo yan, magkaka-error ka ng deadlock and post-shift overlock. So, as much as possible, i-group mo yan para wala kang error. And submit. So, this is drawn as one. Then, I did the top layer in 2D. Lahat yun lahat yun naka single layer lang. Okay. Hindi ko siya 3D. The next, this one natakpan ng shadow and this one shadow. So to do this, again, right angle tool. There you go, submit. And it only took me about 5 seconds to draw the entire building. I mean, the entire house. So kung puro ganun lang naman yung bahay, in 1 minute, siguro nakasampu ka na. And you're only required 150 features per hour. Yeah. Okay. Chimney not included, guys. Okay? Please do not include the chimney.